Kids, I'm Guru, and today we are looking at the final project, project number 13, level 13. Instead of one final project, we are giving you links to 4 projects, and these are very difficult projects. These projects can take easily 10 hours each. So rather than giving you detailed solutions, we will just share the links of these projects. These are existing projects, and this is how you should do it. You should click on Mario game. And when you click on it, you will find this project created by a wonderful user called Zelda123. You can see inside or you can remix. First, you should just go and run the project. And when you run the project, you will see that it's like a Mario game, and it has gravity and it has physics, and you can go on, and there are so many characters on the screen. There are so many sprites. It's a fun project. It's like a full game. So obviously these projects are very involved. You have to put all these obstacles in the middle, and you have to figure out how the user can jump and finish the level, and how the user can move to the next level, and how can you get the score. So very interesting project. I would strongly recommend that you pick one big project that you will find intellectually very, very interesting. So this was project number 1, Mario. If you go back to our level 13, project 2 is called Scratch Platformer. And when you click on that link, it will take you to the project called Scratch Platformer. And again, let's see what this project is. This project is again a game in which you are given some instructions, and you are going to walk on the ground and jump. And you see when the character is moving, it's animated, and there are obstacles, and the character can die if it hits one of the obstacles. So this is like Mario, maybe a easier version, but there are so many game dynamics here. There are coins, and then there is gravity, and then you have to jump on these levels, platforms. That's why it's called a platform game. And then you have to move back and forth to make a big jump. So another very interesting game. You don't have to really build the full game, but you should at least figure out how to scroll between the different screens that we've already learned in our earlier projects. So this is also a very fun project. Now let's go back and look at the third project, which is called Qubit, a 3D game. This is interesting because it will help you understand how to make 3D visualization. We've done a little bit of 3D, just a tessellation pattern, but in this case you will be moving these cubes to go from one place to another, and you can even change the screen. So there is a little bit of camera angle involved, a lot of physics involved. So I think you need to be in a higher grade so that you can understand how 3D objects are rendered. But this is also a very fun project if you want to master Scratch. Now let's look at our final project, and our final project is Nitro Racing. And the Nitro Racing project is a very advanced 3D project in which there is a game with a 3D car, and I was really surprised at how good this game is. Okay, let's try it again. So again, very advanced graphics. Obviously, these games can take a lot of time, but the key thing is you can look inside the project. You can actually play the game, and you can figure out how the different things are rendered on the screen. So I would go back and show you how you can see inside. And when you see inside, obviously the code is complicated. There are just too many things happening here, but you can at least see that, you know, these are all the animations, these are all the sprites, and there is code for each sprite. Very involved, you know. I mean, this project could take, I don't know, 50 to 100 hours if you'd build it from scratch. There's a lot of maths here. Now, you know, my goal is not to intimidate you or scare you. These projects are definitely advanced, so I would say see if you can understand some of the basic concepts, and as you go into higher grades in school, you can come back and take a look at some of these projects. Hope this video was useful. I hope you enjoyed all the videos on Kirat Academy. Pass the message, ask other kids to look at it. Good luck. Bye-bye.